Welcome back to Lewis Life Outdoors. Today I'm working on a 773 Bobcat. It's got a fuel issue. So the first thing I did was isolate the fuel system from the primer bulb back to the tank. So I took the line off of the primer bulb coming from the tank. This is the tank side. And I put it in a 5-gallon bucket of diesel. And I was able to get the prime up on the fuel system. Started it up and it ran fine, so I knew I had an issue behind from there back on the fuel system. Anybody that's been around these machines know that the pickup tube sets down in the tank. It's kind of right there in front of the pump. You can't really see it from this angle, but the pickup tube looks like this. And this one here was busted and it was sucking air. That's what was going on with this machine. So this is the new pickup tube, the new nipple that comes out of the tank, and the new rubber grommet. So we'll put that in and fire him up and he should be ready to go. 773 Bobcat. Most of your Bobcats are going to be like that with the same style pickup in it. Hope you liked the video. Lewis Life Outdoors.